Most people don't have an AI problem. They have an execution problem. It's not that the tools don't work. It's either you're too lazy, too distracted, or too addicted to watching tutorials instead of actually doing the work. Look, I get it. AI is exciting. I get excited about it. But you bookmarked 37 ChatGPT prompts, signed up for 5 new tools last week, maybe even a fake AI generated logo. But here's the truth. Nobody wants to say it out loud. Collecting tools doesn't make you productive. There, I just said it. Most of you are pretending and going through the motions as innovators. You don't need more tools. You don't need another tutorial. You just need to eat. You need to eat. You need to execute with AI and tech. That means picking one tool, solving one problem, and getting one result. Everything else, that's just digital hoarding. It's performance. It's fear disguised as preparation. That's the harsh truth. AI won't replace your job, but someone like me who knows how to execute with it will. The people winning with AI aren't better than you. They're just actually using it to ship ideas, automate workflows, stop wasting time. Prove me wrong in the comments. Or better yet, tell me what you actually built in the last 30 days with AI. Not what you bookmarked, not what's on your list. Show me your work. Let's see who's really about it. Around here, we don't chase hacks. We eat, execute with AI and tech. If that's what you're on, subscribe. If not, go watch another top 10 video on AI tools and keep pretending. I want to eat.